Travel is an exciting and constantly evolving industry, and luxury travel is one of its most lucrative and sought-after segments. As a luxury travel advisor, you have the opportunity to create unforgettable experiences for your clients and help them explore the world in style. In this video, we'll take you through the steps to become a successful luxury travel advisor. From building a strong network and reputation, to marketing your services and delivering an exceptional customer experience. Understanding the luxury travel market. Luxury travel is a niche market that requires a deep understanding of the industry and the demands of high-end clients. To become a luxury travel advisor, you must familiarize yourself with the latest trends and developments, as well as the most luxurious destinations, hotels, and travel experiences. Research the competition and analyze what sets them apart from others in the market. This will help you to identify your unique selling proposition, USP, and position yourself in the market. Building a strong network and reputation is crucial in the luxury travel industry. Start by connecting with other professionals in the industry, such as hoteliers, tour operators, and other travel advisors. Attend industry events and conferences, and join travel-related groups on social media. As you build your network, make sure to establish yourself as a knowledgeable and trustworthy professional by consistently delivering exceptional customer experiences. Developing your knowledge and skills. Continuing education is crucial for success as a luxury travel advisor. Stay up to date with industry trends and developments by attending workshops, webinars, and conferences. Obtain certifications in areas such as destination specialties, niche travel, and luxury travel. This will not only enhance your credibility, but also give you a competitive edge in the market. Marketing your services. Once you have built a strong network and reputation, it's time to start marketing your services. Develop a website and create social media profiles to showcase your expertise and the services you offer. Utilize digital marketing techniques, such as SEO and PPC, to reach a wider audience and attract new clients. Don't forget to leverage your network to spread the word about your services and generate referrals. Delivering an exceptional customer experience. The key to success as a luxury travel advisor is delivering an exceptional customer experience. This involves understanding your clients' needs, preferences, and budget, and creating tailored travel itineraries that meet their expectations. It's also important to stay in constant communication with your clients, updating them on any changes or challenges that may arise during their trip. Providing exceptional customer service, such as 24/7 support and personalized attention to detail, will ensure that your clients have a memorable and enjoyable experience, and will increase the likelihood of repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Staying up to date with industry trends and developments. The luxury travel industry is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. Keep abreast of new destinations, hotels, and travel experiences, and incorporate these into your offerings. Also, monitor changes in technology and how they impact the industry, and consider how you can leverage these changes to improve your services and reach a wider audience. Becoming a luxury travel advisor requires a combination of knowledge, skills, and a strong network. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can establish yourself as a trusted and knowledgeable professional in the luxury travel industry and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Remember to stay up to date with industry trends and developments, and continually work on improving your skills and services to ensure success. If you have a passion for travel and a commitment to delivering the best possible experience for your clients, then a career as a luxury travel advisor may be the perfect fit for you.